How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to clean your camera sensor. Recently took this out last night, or for TRC night meet. As I was filming some cars, I noticed that I had a small dot, which is, I would assume, dust. But easy ways to find out. You would pretty much, there's many different ways. You can turn your computer screen to a white screen, and then your aperture, you would close it up. In this scenario, let's see, I have my ISO all the way up, but you can see right in the middle, right there, the little dot. Typically what you can also do is, close up your aperture, take a photo, and you would be able to see the dust. You also have a feature on Adobe that will show you that. I can also walk you through that one in a later video. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and clean the sensor. So first things first, you want to go into your menu settings. Go to the little toolbox at the bottom. Go down to page 13, setup option. Anti-dust function, sensor cleaning, enter, and you'll hear the camera shake the sensor. Alright, so we'll go ahead and turn off the power, remove the lens cap on that thing, and here is the sensor. You can see the spot right in the middle. It's very, very visible. What you'll want to do first is get your fancy booger sucker or duster, turn your camera upside down, and blow right into it to get any loose particles or dust. As we can see here, that did remove that large spot on the sensor, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through everything else. Put this down. You can go ahead and online and buy any sensor cleaner. I'm going to use the Altura Photo all natural 100% camera, lens, and sensor cleaner. It is alcohol free, ammonia free, odor free, and streak free. I will be linking this below, so you can go ahead and buy this one as well. It does come in a kit. It brings the sensor cleaner, the puffer, some one-time use microfibers you can throw away, and then some sensor cleaning swabs. I do buy my sensor cleaning swabs separately, since this will outlast like the 3 or 4 it brings. They come vacuum sealed typically. You can buy them in packs of 20, 50, 100. This one is for a full frame 24mm sensor. What we'll do is carefully we'll go ahead and unpackage this one, bring it out, pull it out. As you can see, that's what you get. Everyone has a different method. It's just a spray and a spray. Get your camera. It sometimes seems scarier than what it truly is. Start at one end and drag across. Flip it so you'll be on the clean side. Drag across. And your sensor should be clean at this point. And that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and put on the sensor cap. And that's how you would go ahead and clean your camera sensor. Awesome. If you have any questions, just go ahead and link below or comment below. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.